In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate QR codes in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. As you can see, I've got a QR code. This QR code links to my website wordmadeeasy.org. And I did it using a field code called DisplayBarcode. It's very similar to how you make barcodes in Word. You don't need any plugins, you just need to make sure you got the correct link. On your screen now, you'll see me use this QR code on my phone and it will navigate to wordmadeeasy.org. To do this, it's very easy. First, select where you want your QR code to go. Then you're going to press Ctrl F9 and these two brackets will appear and it'll be slightly dark grey. That's fine. And then you're going to paste in this code. I'm going to put it in the comment section below and in the description. So it's Ctrl V and it's display barcode in capitals, inverted comma, and then the link to your destination, space, QR, then /Q3. That Q3 is just simply there to dictate the quality of the QR code. So I suggest you keep it as Q3. When you're happy, and make sure that you change this link, don't have it set to my website, unless you want to. Once you're happy, select it here and then press Alt F9. You may have to do this twice, that's fine. And as you can see, the QR code has been generated. If you decide to change the link, or if you want to duplicate the QR code, you right click it and you're going to select Toggle Field Codes. That opens up this dialog again and you're simply there going to change the link of the QR code. Select afterwards, press Alt F9, do that twice, and your QR code will be regenerated. If this tutorial has helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about QR codes and barcodes and how to generate them in Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.